Today, I'm gonna tell you about BrandVox. Before we dive in, please make sure to subscribe to appsumo's YouTube channel. BrandVox is a tool that helps you craft content, schedule posts, and monitor analytics, so you can easily grow your brand. A social intelligence tool packed with in-depth competitor tracking, insights, and analytics to give your social media strategy that competitive edge. Monitor metrics for engagement and performance to maximize your brand's reach and impact. Track essential metrics of your competitors' performance and analyze texts to optimize your social media strategy. Whether you're working at an agency or managing your own clients, BrandVox helps you keep up with your competition so you can get ahead. Here's how it works. First things first. Create a project space. Here's where you can add multiple competitors and track performance in your industry. After you create a project, just connect your social accounts to BrandVox to get started. This dashboard is where you will find key performance stats, like audience insights, engagement rates, and the number of posts. In the activity dashboard, you can compare page activity and engagement to see how your content stacks up. This is one way BrandVox lets you examine the competitive landscape. In the content dashboard, you will see top posts organized by engagement type. It'll also track engagement rates and your average number of posts, as well as your competitors. All this info is super valuable for anyone who needs to level up their social media strategy. Like, are your competitors getting more likes and comments? See what they're doing and figure out how to make it work for you. Want to know if your audience likes video posts versus text-only posts? Look into how different media perform over time. There's even a hashtag dashboard, where you can keep up with your competitors' high-performing hashtags. Soon to be your high-performing hashtag. Plus, you can look at all their posts from your own feed. If you hop on over to the Editor tab, BrandVox will analyze any content written in English and score it for complexity, tone of voice, and predictive performance. And finally, you've got a calendar that lets you schedule future posts and access. Monitor competitors, evaluate audience insights, and track analytics for your social media strategy. Just connect your social media accounts to see top performers, performance insights, and engagement rates right from your dashboard. You will be able to compare your content to the competition and figure out how to apply their tactics in your business. You can keep tabs on your competitors' content strategy with a user-friendly feed that displays posts from different social networks. You will get an overview of the latest posts complete with images and detailed performance metrics. BrandVox will even let you see the number of likes, comments, and shares for a specific period across all your competitors. Async to assess upcoming posts based on their predictive performance, content type, and complexity. This tool can evaluate tone of voice, emotions, complexity, and style. You will be able to tailor content for your target audience. You can identify areas for improvement and make tweaks to ensure your content is making the right impact. It's easy to transfer your content over to the calendar feature, which means you can schedule all your posts in advance. This tool breaks down bi-weekly engagement across competitors, so you know what timing works best. You can track hashtag performance. You will be able to choose the keywords that drive more traffic to your posts. Create content, schedule posts, and track analytics with a social media intelligence tool. Unleash the power of analytics for unbeatable social media success. All-in-one social media intelligence and management tool. Engagement, activity, followers, best formats and weekdays for posting, hashtag performance, and more. Competitors or posts from different social networks in one convenient feed. Fine-tooth content analysis of your posts, defining tone of voice, emotions, complexity, style, minimalistic flow for scheduling and posting. BrandVox gives you the tools you need to monitor competitors, evaluate content performance, and schedule posts on autopilot. Give your strategy a competitive edge. So click on the link below to BrandVox for an incredible price. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.